Good morning, kindergarten. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020, and this is your math class. These are the items that you will need for math class today. If you have your chapter vocabulary sheet, let's get that out. Your lesson papers and a pencil, and then we will be ready to go. I will give you a moment to get your supplies together, and then we will begin. All right, here we go. Today's lesson is all about squares. Let's begin by writing our name at the top. Name on your paper. First thing, name on your paper. First thing, where does it go? At the top. Where does it go? At the top. Now let's write our date, 4-16-20. Let's practice those numbers, kindergarten. Keep writing those numbers. All right, once you have your name and your date on your paper, let's review what a square is. A square. Here we have the word square. Let's spell it together. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Now let's stretchy snake it. S-Q-air. Square. What letter is silent at the end of square, kindergarten? Yeah, that E is silent, isn't it? Square. And there's our big green square that we have. It's also green on our paper, isn't it? Now, there's a few vocabulary words written on our paper that I'd like us to look at. Let's read the square definition. It's right here. A two-dimensional or flat shape with 4 straight sides of equal length and 4 square vertices. And here you can see a little tiny caterpillar on the vertex. Vertex is where 2 straight lines meet. And you can see a little caterpillar crawling across the middle down here on this side. So let's count and see if they're right. See if there's 4 sides and 4 vertices. Here we go. Let's count the sides first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, they're right. There are 4 sides, aren't there? Now count the vertex with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Over here, I see vertex and corner and vertices. Let's read what vertex or corner means. The point where 2 sides of a polygon meet. Vertices. Used to name more than one vertex. Very good. And side, let's read what sides mean because it says a square has 4 of those sides. Read it with me. The line segments that form a polygon. Very good. Excellent. Square. I love it. All right, let's open up our paper today. And let's look at share and show. I see a very big blue square, but what did they do with the square? How are these 2 shapes different? They did something to this blue one. What did they do? Yeah, watch, friends. They just turned it like this so that it's standing on its point, didn't they? Is it still a square? Yes, it is still a square. No matter how you turn our friend, he is still a square, isn't he? So be careful whenever they're asking you to identify a square. You're looking for a square no matter how he is standing, okay, or she. That's right. Don't be confused about it being a rhombus or a diamond. All right, number 1. How many vertices does this square have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write 4 on the line. Good. Now number 2, how many sides does the square have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right, let's come to number 3, where the leaf is. It says, draw and color a square. Now, friends, they've given you nice dot paper here, and I don't want you to draw just one square. I want you to draw at least 2 or 3, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put my phone down so I can do some writing here. I want you to draw some squares. Remember, their sides have to be an equal number or an equal length. So be sure you're not just drawing willy-nilly and that you're drawing careful. This is how I would do it. I would start on a dot and I'd count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'd start on that dot, I'd go 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, do your counting so that your square has 4 sides of equal length. And then maybe draw another one. Little babies, little babies, little babies. Okay, when you're done and you've drawn enough squares that you like, be sure to color these in. Okay, get your crayons out and color those squares in. But let's move on to this last page before I let you go. The directions say, I have 4 sides of equal length and 4 vertices. What shape am I? Draw the shape and tell a friend. I'd like you to draw a really nice picture on the back, friends, that would include a square in some way. Okay, think of something that's the shape of a square in your world, and then draw a great picture around that square, okay? Make that square into something. Use at least 5 colors, fill the whole area, and do your best work. Good luck, and don't forget to draw your picture and color in these squares. I love you. Have a great day.